Hey you guys, we're here today for another great video. We have the goodbye tour for Kelly and Luke. They're actually moving to LA, so leave a comment below. We have some icons leaving us. I know, it's gonna be really sad.
Hold on, wait, what?
This is their last weekend.
Wait,
15th.
what?
Oh, I just met you.
Yeah.
Why?
Dude,
You're not leaving! You're not leaving! Hold up! Whoa! Hey, hold up! You ain't leaving! You ain't leaving!
I knew it. Dude, no, I knew it wasn't a good idea to show up today.
Hey, hold up! Nah, y'all ain't leaving! Y'all staying right here!
my God! I'm out, bro.
He needs to let them spread their wings and fly, dude.
My gosh.
Calm down.
Oh, yeah.
We're here today with an epic skate hack. A free skate hack, that is. We have a regular skateboard, my old one, that's why it's so nice still.
You can never really ruin boards.
Yo, he's eyeing me, dog.
No, we're good. We're good.
We've taken our free skates apart, and Daniel, I don't know how you mounted these, but he found a way to beautifully mount these to the bottom of a skateboard, and now we're gonna skate it. Who's dropping in first?
I'll go.
Nigel, I want to see Nigel do it.
Oh, God, why did I pick this up?
Can you stop being violent?
The littlest guy trying to...
I had a tiptoe for that.
These are the actual free skates that we turned into that. You try to kickflip and then it got launched off. So we saw that and we were like, wait, if you can almost do it with just tape, if we actually screw it on nicely, I think you can do a lot of tricks on it. Maybe a manual? All right, who's up first?
They're leaving, so I can't do nothing.
I was gonna go, but Carlos got it now.
Just go for it. Why did that take so long, dude? Jeez.
It's like doing a constant manual and then having to flip out of it.
Have you tried it?
No, I haven't tried it yet. All right, let's see.
Oh, dude, it's kind of cool. My God. It's impossible. All right, right here, I swear.
I give up.
What am I gonna try? I am not gonna miss.
Let me give it a one go.
Leave a comment below if you're gonna miss Kelly's kickflips. I know I will.
Dude, there's not gonna be any comments, man.
Oh, this is harder. Gosh, that's hard. I thought it'd be easier.
It's okay, Luke. We're the worst ones. It's all right. We're the worst together.
Did you notice the new shoes?
What happens if you land primo?
That's the plus side.
Oh, that's good.
There's 3 show.
Impossible. It's impossible.
He like jumped away from it, dude. It was like this. He jumped backwards, the board just went this far backwards with him, dude.
You know, all things considered, this is actually one of the most regular boards we've ever skated.
It's like day one trucks, dude. Just loose.
Oh, okay. Well, that's difficult.
Luke and I are gonna bank off.
That sounded kind of bad, though. You're gonna bank off, huh?
Do it, Gabe. Out.
Light work, baby. Ho-ho! Oh, impossible to fakie on flat ground. Wow. Nailed it.
I forgot you can't really turn on it.
This is how you steer it. You have to like tic-tac.
Wait, damage report. How's it holding up, Carlos?
This part's loosening up.
Getting a little loose.
That just needs a
top
bit of
one right
tightening.
But nothing that we can't fix
Braille
yet.
arms about all on net.
Cut that out!
If you're gonna miss Luke's falls, leave a comment below.
Cut that out! He didn't kickflip it, Luke.
Certain freedom to this board.
Carlos is kick flipping.
Okay guys, notification squad, leave a comment below. How many tries do you think it's gonna take Carlos to land this kickflip down the 3 stair? Leave your guess below, hashtag notification squad, and a lucky winner will get chosen for a Braille surprise package.
Oh, it's light.
You might as well just double flip it at this point. Yeah, just overflip it then. Dropping actual hammers out here.
You came to the wrong neighborhood to jack it.
Oh, you son of a...
Ah! Come on, Cthulhu!
I'm trying to ease up. I can't...
Ah!
Things not to do at the skate park.
remember
And at like 1 minute in, dude, I say
Oh, you said the thing.
Yeah,
oh,
don't
I
put
know
that in.
exactly what you're
Don't
talking about. Oh, yeah, we can't say that. We can't say
You
that.
cannot put that in.
Oh, you guys go check it out. I'm not gonna say it, but if you want to go check
Dude,
it out.
it was, dude, you can't put that in. You actually can't put that in. It's all a system.
Simulation.
Simulation. It's been a long day.
It's like when you're driving in the desert and you look into the horizon, you see those little squiggly water lines.
I'm that squiggly
That is
water
Kelly.
line.
Literally, that is Kelly. Carlos, you just gotta free skate. Free your mind, free your body, free your soul.
Is this also a freeboard then?
You're blowing my entire life, Daniel. Lulu is that close to coming out. Oh, it's coming.
He's gonna get very mad.
Check my emails. Check my emails real quick.
Come here, little boy, girl.
Check my emails.
Jason Park, I still just thank you so much for this. This like none of this would have happened without you. I'm so grateful for you. $10. Oh, I'm gonna lose $10, man.
That's the first money bet I've won.
What? As soon as he landed, Gabe just went, I'm done with this. I'm out of here. Oh, that was for the $10? That's why he did that.
I didn't think he was serious, but okay. On me, everybody.
Is it that easy to win $10?
We gotta go bowling again so I can win that $10 back.
I'm saying, as far as bets goes, I'm still down.
If I
There's no
drop
profit
in,
yet.
can I have that?
I have to save up $50 just to be broke on this guy.
I'm worth more than $50.
Dude, okay, I can't be up here too long or else I'm gonna think about it on my fault.
Nigel.
Push your limits, just do it.
That's not Kelly's hand.
Just do it. You got the padding.
This guy just saves me everywhere I
just
go.
hear whispers, and then I just come where I hear the whispers. Whoa!
Can I tell the camera a story? We're thinking of redesigning the Braille house, building a new one. I texted Doug asking about skate obstacles, and he goes, well, you don't want to make the park too hard because some people have to do tricks on hard boards. And I said, dude, we have Carlos. He will do tricks on anything. He is on a tear right now. He's unstoppable.
I'm hurt.
And look, he's still unstoppable.
I feel like I got nothing to lose.
That's the mentality we need.
If I felt like that, I would be in the hospital.
What is he doing? Blunt flip?
Yeah.
Why? Nigel's got you $10 on this try. That hurt me and it didn't even happen. That is unbelievable. Oh, the groaning is stressing me out, Troy. Oh God. You know, if I'm being honest with you, the fact that he rocked a fakie, went back switch, and then tail stalled and went back in is more impressive than the blunt, I think. On to the next. Hey, I do want to see a Manny and nose Manny. I feel bad. Do you want?
I'm gonna do that.
Like, do you
and
want
then,
anyone
let
else to try
everybody
some
else
stuff?
get on it.
That is absurd. That's ridiculous. Carlos is really living young and wild and free. Skate.
Whoa.
Oh, I thought that was it.
I got to. You know, ever seen those compilations on YouTube says never celebrate too early? That's
Yes.
what happened.
Smelt it, dealt it. That's
My favorite compilations to watch on YouTube are near-death experiences.
That felt so cool. I've never done that before. I've never done that before. That felt cool. Like a really satisfying feeling right there.
Hey, I'm satisfied that you're satisfied.
You know what is also very satisfying?
What's that?
Buying from the Braille shop.
You know what is really satisfying as well? Giving Doug a large pepperoni.
Yes. I still have that waiting pizza. Waiting for me.
Pineapple on pizza all day. Hate me or not. What's up? It's not like I'm trying to preach or something. It's just like, bro, if I want to eat a corn dog on my pizza, or
That sounds way better than pineapple.
okay, maybe, yeah, actually it does. But no, but I'm saying, let me see something. If I want to put sashimi or like a straight raw fish on top, you know?
Has anyone tried sushi on pizza?
Dude, now I'm making great ideas.
There is a
Because there's sushi Rito. We're getting off topic here. Our mind is too
Is there
free.
a sushi handboard?
You got it, Nigel!
Day one song. You have his deck. Show some respect. Come on, right here. First try.
You just said you wanted to push yourself. I'm helping you motivate yourself.
I'm not doing it.
Okay.
Yeah, cool.
We just want Nigel to be the best version of himself.
You have great qualities too. It's not all about the five. I'm saying. You know,
Absolutely unbelievable.
you bring so much more to the table than skate. You know,
You hear this?
What was your name again? Sorry, I lost my train of thought.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
job is to-
You're a professional.
Yeah.
Nigel, you do it for the people. You give the people the motivation. You bring that extra, oh, you can do it to the people.
I think, cuz, let me do that and do my job. You can hit the 3-stair. What's up?
Inspiration to the people while he's back there shipping his products.
Oh, Nigel, you got it, man.
You gotta be perfect on there.
$10,000 worth it.
Great.
Yo, there was this video you guys did in real life Rocket League. You were like, oh, Fetty, the undisputed champion. You forgot about Luke and I, the first champions. Just saying.
Yeah, no,
You don't have to put that in. It's more for me and Gabe. Wait, are you joking?
No, I said I know who won the first game fair and square. You guys won fair and square.
Oh, okay, sick. No, dude, don't put that in. It's just for me and Gabe. It's true.
Crew Casa truly
Costa
disbanded.
t-shirts coming out 2025.
Thank you very
That's
much,
right,
my
thank
friend. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Please subscribe, like, leave us a comment below of other hacked videos you'd like to see.
I feel like I was the only one who actually enjoyed skating that. So
I
sorry if it
enjoyed
seemed
it.
too much of me. I actually had fun doing it. So
Me too.
For sure.
Check out the videos on our left, your right-hand side for different playlists and videos that you will enjoy, and we will see you tomorrow.